am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in the last video I explained that how to write hello world in Python. Now in this video I will explain that how to add two numbers, how to subtract a number from another number, how to multiply two numbers, and how to divide a number by another number. So after making a program that will print hello world, you should just move to compute some numbers or some expressions. So now see that just add two numbers. So here I am writing a is equal to 12. It means that a is referring to 12. Now if I am writing b is equal to 4, it means that b refers to 4. Now if I write c a plus b, c is equal to a plus b, it means that c refers addition of a and b. Now c is referring addition of a and b. However, you won't be able to see the value of c. You have to use standard output function print. So I am writing print c and run it. And now see that here a is referring to 12, b is referring to 4, and c is referring to 16. And basically output is here. So this program is about addition of two numbers. And what we have used? This operator, which you use in mathematics as well. So this is addition operator, you can say that, or just calling it addition symbol, which you use in mathematics. Now the same way we will use subtraction. So subtraction symbol, subtraction is here. Now let us see that. Just I am erasing now. This one, and again I'm changing the symbol from addition to subtraction, and see the output here. Now again see that here, what is the output? Output is 8. That means b is subtracted from a. And here also it is a change. A is referring to 12, b is referring to 4, and c is referring to 8. Now the third one I will use multiplication. So you will use asterisk, or you can say star also. So that symbol is used for multiplication. This symbol is different what you use in mathematics. So you will use here multiplication. So just a multiplication symbol b. So c will refer multiplication of a and b. Now I am going to run the program and see that. Now in this case output has come 48, and C is referring to 48. A is referring to 12 because always we have written A is equal to 12. It means A refers 12. Here B refers 4. C refers multiplication of A and B. Now the fourth one, we will use slash. So for the division, we will use this slash symbol. So this is a division symbol. And let me change here. A divided by B and run it. So you can see that here 3. Also you can change here numbers. Instead of 12, A may refer to 20. So just I am using here 20. And here B, just I am making it 5. So if 20 is divided by 5, see the output 4. And here you can also see that A is referring to 20, B is referring to 5 and C is referring to 4. So you can also change it, the symbol as well. So there is no restriction, and you learn a lot when you do some experiments on programs. So never hesitate to do experiments and you will get new things. So this was about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hope you have understood. In upcoming videos, I will bring some more concepts which would be related to Python. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching the video.